Welcome to your home sweet home. We are in Pine Ridge Estates, and this is a almost brand new custom built home that is ready for you to fall in love with. There are so many great things to tell you about this house, so as we walk through, I will go over all of the wonderful details, upgrades, and things that you may or may not be able to see through this video. So right off the bat, you see what a wonderful open concept we have here. This house was built in 2023, so it's just going on 3 years old. This kitchen is incredible. Huge island, quartz countertops. You've got the beautiful accent color cabinets in the island, and then nice light, very neutral color decor. Beautiful hood vent there, wood. The cabinets are wood, they're soft close, so if you want to wake people up in the morning with slamming cabinets like I like to do, you're not going to be able to do that in this house. Dining room, good space there for a nice sized table. I want to take you across to the owner's suite first, the primary bedroom. And as you're walking through, notice that we have wood look tile flooring throughout this house. So that's one of the upgrades that is fabulous. Double pane, energy efficient windows. They have the tilt functionality on them so that it's very easy to maintain and clean. Beautiful French door here that leads out to the covered patio, which someday could have a pool if you wanted to add a pool. And here is a gorgeous barn door that slides shut. We're not going to shut it right now, but you've got that for your privacy in your bedroom. Hallway here has the closets. Nice walk-in closet here. And then another closet for additional clothes storage. So really good space as far as closets go. And we have Corian countertops with the double sinks. We have a jetted tub, a nice window, very, very relaxing setting. Again, nice neutral colors, good size shower with a shower head and a water closet. And then certainly the linen closet as well. Beautiful, very calming colors in this house. And you really can do anything you like if you want to put different touches to it. Another set of French doors out to that covered porch. High ceilings. So right here we have, also notice bullnose corners on the walls. We have the guest bedrooms, and these are two nice sized bedrooms, again with the same flooring throughout. So one of the nice things about new construction is you have consistency in finishes. Corian countertop again here. We've got the tub shower combo, same gray tile in this bathroom, and a nice deep linen closet, so you can fit a lot of stuff in that closet. Third bedroom, again very nice size. Everything, all the rooms have the fans and light kits in them, so you're very comfortable. We already went in that one. So we're going to continue on down the hall. One of the bonus things is this house has 3 full bathrooms. So here's the third full bath. Again, a very nice shower here. Same finishes for this bathroom as well. And then this back office, bedroom, den, whatever you desire to use this for, it is good to go. So this is a great space, could serve as a 4th bedroom, also has the exterior access. We're going to pop out this door here. All French doors, so that's a much nicer, more elegant upgrade to the sliders that you typically see. And here we are now in the backyard. The jungle gym can stay with the property. We've got a lot of landscaping around here, you'll notice. So this is 3 acres of land. It has been partially developed for about 3/4 of an acre landscaped and fenced in. You have all this additional woods. If you wanted to clear it, if you wanted to have horses, you could certainly do that. There's a lot you can do with this property, or you can leave it wooded and private and just enjoy the privacy that it affords you. So look at this huge parking pad. So we've got the side entry 2-car garage. We haven't gone in that yet. This fenced in area over there is part of this property where you see that truck. And then this is over 1,500 square feet of garage. This garage has the electric in it. It has concrete flooring. It has been heavily insulated, so it maintains really nice temperatures throughout the entire year. So even these summers in Florida with this insulation, this is a comfortable space. You've got 2 roll-up doors. This one is tall enough to put any type of motorhome, bus, whatever it is you need to park in here. You've got plenty of space to comfortably pull that in. You've got 2 service doors as well. So it's really laid out really well. And like I say, you've got full electrical service to this space, good lighting. We have both 50 amp and 30 amp service on this property. So this door pops out to the back of the property. So if you did decide at some point to do some kind of a barn setup, maybe some stalls for horses, you definitely could incorporate a part of that beautiful workshop into horse barn if you wanted to. There's so much you can do with that space because it's so expansive. So pretty fantastic. A lot of thought was put into the design of all of this that you see here. One of the things is the electrical service has already been implemented for future pool equipment. So that's what you're seeing right here. So that's a really fantastic thing to have. And you've got irrigation on this property, so you can really maintain all of the plants. Look at this beautiful awning here that allows you to have more shade protection even beyond your covered porch. So some really spectacular features. Let's pop back inside the house and we'll take a look at the garage quickly. And that will complete our tour. So if you're not real familiar with Pine Ridge Estates, I do want to tell you this is an equestrian community, and part of that design of this community, there are trails that run throughout the community. So you have easy access to 27 miles of horseback riding trails. Oh, I don't think we've looked at the laundry room yet. So laundry room and a nice pantry area here right off of the garage. So when you walk in with your groceries, you've got a place quickly to put some things, and then you pop right into the kitchen. So because it's an equestrian community, we also have a lot of equestrian amenities to enjoy. There's riding training rings at the main equestrian center, which is not far from here. There's a lot of great things that you can utilize, and the HOA fees here are just $100, $200 a year. So you're not paying a lot in fees when you live here. Fantastic community, and what a great property. You see this is a good sized garage with extra space for some additional appliances out here, which is always handy to have. You've got your smart wiring in this box here, so you can do all kinds of smart upgrades and nice things with the functions of the house. And boy, is this a beauty. So if you are interested in this property, would like more information, please reach out. I am Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, and I'm with RES Luxury Group, where we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Talk soon.